I'm gonna unbox this 42-inch flush mount ceiling fan by Mainstays. I got it from Walmart. The package is pretty beat up though. That's sad. So I'm gonna cut into it and see what's what. It's a neat little box. It's not that big though. Thought it would be bigger. This is the instructions. I'll put that here. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking this is the mounting bracket. I don't know what's what yet. I got 3 blades. These are the blades. Very small. This was $27 and some change. The blades are reversible. This is 42 inch. This does not look like 40. Oh. Maybe the overall fan is 42 inch. I thought the blades, each individual blade would be 42 inch. That's what caught me. But it's suitable for the area. Let's see what else. I can open this upside down. I got oh, it does come with these things here to turn it on and off, and I got the screws and the wire attachments. Oh, this is glass. This is the light part. I'm doing this at the door, so please ignore the background for the lighting. This is the bulb. No, not the bulb. The lampshade. Thinking this is the part that holds the shade. Put this back in here because I really don't want it to break. This is the fan motor. I'm not taking that out. And I got a bulb still intact. It's not non-dimmable soft white. That's good. And medium base $6.15 savings per year. So yep, and put this back in here. This is the fan base itself, and these are under here. This is the fan. Oh, this part is heavy. This is the heavy part. So that's the fan, and these are the parts that hold the blades. These are metal or aluminum.